Adding a new content page can be done in a couple of easy ways. First of all, we log into WorldVu and we find the main admin menu, hover over CMS, which stands for Content Management System. Click on our Pages link. Once there, we see a listing of all the pages available to us. Now at this point, we can make a decision to either add a new page or find an existing page and duplicate it. I'll show you how to do both. On the top right-hand side of the window here, you can see the Add a New Page button. We'll go ahead and click that. Then we're presented with all the information and content areas for the page that we need to use. First off is the page title. We enter the page's title here and the URL key. This is the last part of the string of the URL as if we were to visit the website. This is what we would use in the address. And we'll just call this one New Page. And just know you can't put any spaces or special characters here. By default, the status is set to enabled. We can disable the page for now if we wanted to. Whenever at some point we want to save this page and it's enabled, people will be able to view that page. So depending on what your comfort level is, you can disable it for now, continue editing the page, and save it later. I'm going to mark it as enabled. And under the whitelist category here, this allows the page to be viewed by anybody. So whitelisting it is going to be something you'll want to check most of the time. The next tab deals with the content of our page. And by the way, anytime in this process, we can click Save and Continue Edit, and we'll remain on the page that we've been working on, or the tab we've been working on, and our workflow will still stay in process here. Whenever we are completely done with the page, we'll click on Save Page. You'll notice there's a nice WYSIWYG editor, so we could just type in any content, do anything we want to the page, create a heading. Maybe we want to change the color. Lots of stuff we can do here. If you prefer to use the HTML editor, go ahead and click the Show Hide Editor button, and you can paste your content in here. We're also have available to us widgets. We could insert the images that we have already in our resource files, and we can insert any variables that the database has that will let us show special content or personalized content to the people who will be viewing the page. Usually we save this for Team Office. If I go back to the editor, I can see the content that I pasted in there, and I can continue editing, do whatever I want here. I can go to the Design tab and change the layout. Let's say with 2 columns with a left bar. I could add any custom design elements that I wanted to here. And then finally I could go to the Metadata tab, enter any SEO or other elements that I want to include there, and save the page. And once I save the page, I'm brought back to the listing of pages, and there's my new page right there. Because I chose to make this page enabled, as soon as I saved it, it's now publicly viewable. However, I've not included it in any menus anywhere, so no one would be able to find it through navigation unless I now go and edit my menu and add the link there. That's it. Now let's move on to adding a new page by duplicating a current or existing page. So what I can do here is go to a page that I like. I like the About Us page, and I would like to duplicate it. I click on Duplicate. This actually put me into a new page. I can change the content. Change the URL key. Make sure it's enabled so people can view it, whitelisted. And then I would continue editing the page as in the previous instructions that I gave you. It's that simple. Just remember to link up your pages in the menus that you can edit, whether it be a team office page or a public facing page. Thanks for watching.